Want to fast track your career in health, safety, and environment? HSE? The right certifications can open doors to better job opportunities, higher salaries, and global recognition. But with so many options, and NEBOSH, IOSH, OSHA, which ones should you prioritize? In this video, we'll break down the best HSE certifications for career growth, their benefits, and who they are best suited for. Stick around, this could be the game changer your career needs. First up, NEBOSH, the gold standard in HSE certifications. Recognized globally, NEBOSH equips you with in-depth knowledge in risk assessment, hazard control, and workplace safety laws. If you are aiming for senior roles like HSE manager or want to work internationally, this is a must-have. Courses like the NEBOSH International General Certificate are highly respected by employers in oil and gas, construction, and manufacturing. Next, we have IOSH, the Institution of Occupational Safety and Health. Unlike NEBOSH, IOSH focuses on practical safety skills. Their Working Safely course is perfect for frontline workers, while Managing Safely is ideal for supervisors. If you are new to HEC or need a cost-efficient way to boost your resume, IOSH is a smart choice. If you are working or plan to work in the US, OSHA certifications are non-negotiable. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration sets the legal safety standards for American workplaces. Their 10-hour and 30-hour courses like OSHA 510 or 511 are great for construction and industrial safety, perfect for safety trainers or those aiming for OSHA compliance roles. So which one is right for you? If you want global opportunities, go for NEBOSH. If you are new to HSA, OSHA is a great start. And if you're in the US, OSHA is essential. Ambitious professionals often combine certifications like NEBOSH for theory and OSHA for US compliance to maximize career growth. Certifications can make or break your HSC career. Whether it's NEBOSH for international roles, IOSH for hands-on training, or OSHA for US jobs, choose wisely based on your goals. If this video helped you, hit like, share with a colleague, and subscribe for more career-boosting HSC content. Drop a comment. Which certification are you planning to take? Thanks for watching and stay safe.